Welcome to this screen replacement instructions video. Remove 6M2 screws. One screw is longer than the others, please identify and keep it separately. When opening the housing, do not pull on any signal cables. The remote contains multiple small internal components. Take care during disassembly to prevent parts from falling out or getting lost. Remove the 2 screws securing the PCB. The screen signal cable is secured by a black locking clip. Gently lift one side of the clip, then carefully pull the screen cable out. The screen is attached to the PCB with adhesive. Apply light force to peel the old screen off the PCB. Remove any remaining foam adhesive. Be careful not to damage any components on the PCB. As shown in the diagram, lift the black locking clip. Insert the new screen's flex cable into the connector, then press the clip down to lock it in place. Before fully reassembling the device, power it on to check whether the screen lights up and displays properly. Align the screen with the white positioning line inside the housing and attach it. Tear off the adhesive film. Gently press to ensure the screen is firmly adhered. After installation, remove the screen's protective film. Avoid smudging or scratching the screen. Place the PCB back into the top housing. Align the charging port with the charging port slot. Tighten the PCB mounting screws. Reinstall the scroll wheel pin and the scroll wheel. Ensure the pin is aligned with the bearing before closing the housing. Finally, tighten all housing screws. Screen replacement is completed.